Hello friends, this is Jafar Abbas. Today I am back again with a new video. You are all welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can make a very cool looking animation within After Effects. So let's check what we are creating today now. Today we are creating this animation. You can see the light beam is moving over the ocean and creating its reflection. It's looking cool. So in this video we will see how we can create this effect in After Effects. So you are all requested to do not move and watch the video till end, and also you are requested to kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Let's start. So first of all, I'm taking a new composition here. I'm naming it as my main composition. I'm taking the size of 1920 to 1080 and I'm taking the duration of 10 seconds. Press OK. Now I want to bring the video for the background. Double click here. So let's bring the AVI. Just drag it downward on the timeline. Adjust the size of the preview screen. Now I'm taking a new solid here and I'm naming it as wave 1. Press OK. I'm going to reduce the size of this screen. You can reduce the size by pressing Ctrl and minus button. Now I'm going to select this solid and now I'm going to create a path on it. I'm selecting the pen tool. The shortcut of selecting the pen tool is press G. Now I'm creating a path here. You can adjust the shape using the selection tool here. You don't need to worry about the exact shape. You can always do the changes later on. I'm trying to make it more refined so that animation runs smoothly and look nice. I think it is looking nice. Now I'm going to this mask option and selecting this mask path. Make little bit more adjustments. Now viewers, what I'm going to do here is to go to this effect and preset. Now I'm going to apply an effect here. I'm searching Saber here. Now drag it and apply it on the layer. Now go to the customize core and change the core type as layer mask. I'm increasing the glow intensity to 60%. This effect is a third-party plugin and you can download it freely. I will give the link in the description so that you can download it from there as well. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to this mask path, apply a keyframe here at 0 frame and move the path using the right key. Now I'm going to the 10 second, the last frame, and I'm going to move it using this left key here. So the keys are set and it has created a nice little animation here. Now I'm going to set the parameters here. I'm going to this end offset. I'm going to make this value 0. Now I'm going to this start offset and I'm setting the value here 5 and I'm marking a key here. Now go to the last frame. Now set this value to 100. You can go directly to the last frame by simply pressing K. It will jump to the last frame. Now check. A nice smooth animation has been created here. It's looking nice. Now let's play with the values. I'm going to this distortion and I'm going to the glow distortion option and I'm going to set the value 10 here. I'm making the distortion type as energy. This will create a nice little foggy kind of effect. It is looking nice. You can see the fog is generating through the beam. Now I'm going to this option, render setting, and now here on this composite setting I'm making it transparent so that it appears on the background. It is looking nice, creating a nice effect here. The beam is smoothly moving over the ocean here. Now I'm going to take a copy of it, press Ctrl D to create a duplicate. I'm going to rename it. I am naming it as wave 2. Now go to the mask and select the mask path option here. I am going to change the path shape here. Now I am altering the shape here. Just change the positions of the points. Now I'm going to this mask path and I'm going to end the animation previously created. Just click on the stopwatch. Now I'm again going to set the keys here for the new animation. Now go to frame 0, the start of the timeline, and move your path to the right. Use the right key here. Now go to the last frame, press K and move it to the left using the left key here. The keys are generated. Now I'm going to change the glow color here. I'm taking this reddish kind of color here. Let's check. Looking nice. I'm making some adjustments here. It is looking cool. I'm just changing the value in distortion. I'm making it 5. Looking better. Now what I'm going to do here is select both the layers, press F4. I'm changing the mode to screen here. Now I'm again going to select both of them. I'm taking a copy. Press Ctrl D to take out the copy. Just place them in ascending order. Now I'm allowing the motion blur for the first two. I'm creating this 3 and 4 wave as 3D. Now on this wave number 3, press R for rotation, and on X rotation type the value to 95 and drag it downward. Now I'm doing the same thing for the wave 4 here. On the rotation of X rotation, I am typing a value of 95 and placing it downward. Now I'm going to apply transform here. Since I have already utilized the opacity option in the properties of my layers, so for that to have an additional control over the opacity, I am applying this effect of transform. Here I am going to reduce the opacity to 25. Now I am going to copy the effect. I am copying it and I am going to paste it on this wave 4. Now let's play and check. It is actually looking good, and it's creating the impact that waves are traveling on top of the water and the reflection is generating on the water. So viewers, thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, please press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. Thank you.